Alright, getting excited now. Pretty productive weekend. We have got some things going on here. We've got raspberries. We planted 2 tomatoes, tomato bush plant, whatever. This one here. This one here is raspberries. These flowers here gonna go along the fence over there. We've got something, I forget what my wife put in there. I'll have to ask her. There's a blueberry bush. Got silver dollar. And we have Chippewa blueberry. They pollinate each other. Gotta have 2, otherwise they'll die. If you just get 1, they'll die. So we gotta put those. We're gonna plant those. I'm gonna put pavers, big pavers along the yard, and we're just gonna put it in these pots here. I'm gonna put it on the pavers all around the yard, so it's out off the ground, not in the ground, so that these weird jumping worms won't get into it. Then we've got garlic. We got the garlic going here. Over here we got strawberries starting. So what I'm going to do, the vinyl gutter here, I've got 2 of them there. I'm going to put those along the fence here on 4-foot pieces, 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to fill them with potting soil, and we're going to plant strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, all in the gutters, all in the sun, all day long. And that way the rodents and rabbits and whatever will not get them. I'll just have to put netting around them so to protect them from the birds. So here we got a cherry tree. The cherry tree is going to go right there. Going to put them all in a line. Back there I got the first apple tree put in. Did that today. This is also an apple tree. Apple trees, you got to buy 2 of them. They got to pollinate each other. So we got a nice big one here. This one I just finished planting. So I pruned it. See, this center stalk is supposed to come up higher than the rest of this. So this isn't going to fruit for 2 years. So next year it'll have fruit. This year not so much. And the same with this apple tree here. Next year it'll fruit. This year not so much. Cherry tree I'm not so sure about. I don't know about the cherry tree, but we'll see. I was gonna put the gutters over here and plant on the garage, but it doesn't get enough sun, I just realized. So I was gonna put 10-foot gutters along here and just put raspberries and blueberries and strawberries all on there, but it doesn't get enough sun. But this fence does. So from around 9 a.m. to now, right now it's, what is it, 6 o'clock? It's still sunny. So that's plenty of sun. Awesome. So, and we've got a whole bunch of seeds we got to plant yet too. I've got some wildflowers to attract bees and butterflies. I'm going to put them all over there against the house. Maybe sprinkle some over there. Really not sure what that is. Might be tulips or something. Not really sure. That was there when we bought the place. So we got a dead zone over here. I'm just going to build a patio deck, wooden patio. It's going to be like an outdoor grill station over here eventually. This old thing was here when we bought the house. I might take it apart and redo the repaint the base and put some new wood on there, and I'll have a brand new picnic table. But that's a project for another time. So next weekend we're going to plant these 2 trees, apple tree and a cherry tree. And then I'm going to go put these gutters up on that fence and plant some berries. That's the update for the yard. And then eventually I got to put a French drain because there's always water built up back right there. So I got to dig a ditch going all the way up here, underneath here, then sideways that way, and it'll drain out the driveway. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. Alright. Thank you for watching. How you doing? Later.